been there, I'm that girl. Been there, I'm that girl. Okay, y'all, so we are in Costco, and today the mission is to get water. And don't mind her. Ooh, it's been a day, honey. Ooh, honey, baby, but we must stay on task. Look at that, y'all. I'm right here to get done.
Go ahead and put that 23 in there.
Ooh, yes. Ooh, y'all, we must stay on task. But them crab legs was looking too good, was they not? Yes, they have water. Dun, 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 dun. Just gonna get 2 of those. Okay. Oh, it was a struggle, but we got the waters. Ooh, child, y'all. Lifting them waters was a complete struggle, but your girl did it. I did it. Now, I might not get the crab legs. I'm definitely going back over here to get this salmon. Okay, y'all, we're here. Y'all get this kind, warm raised. This is all warm raised. $10.99. Should I get the $12.99? I'm gonna get the one raised without antibiotics. So they say. Salmon secured. Y'all, I gotta look at them crab legs one more time just in case. Ooh, they look so good. They look so good. Let's see how much they are per pound. $20 per pound. I can get a better deal somewhere else. Ooh, look at the lobster tails. I got some of them in the freezer already. And look at them shrimps. Look at them. Y'all, I'm really hungry and want a sample. And I think all the samples are put away. We shall see. I see a sample. Hello. Good and you. I'm trying vanilla. Oh, not that bad. Thank you. I see another sample, y'all.
This fish sausage, you're gonna see.
Fine in here. What is this?
I wouldn't add it.
Oh.
It has all this in there, and then it does have a exclamation point.
Oh,
I mean,
okay.
up to you, whatever
Oh,
you
no,
want.
no, no. Thank you. Oh, sorry. Okay, we're not going to get that one, y'all. Oh, they got sugar in the raw coffee, y'all. Look at it. Ooh, we're going to try it. Ooh. Y'all, I gotta stop trying stuff. I think it's just black coffee with sugar. Take it to the head. Oh yeah, I definitely taste the sugar. I shouldn't have drank that coffee, y'all, because now I need to brush my teeth. But we're gonna get a sweet treat and something to eat to get that coffee taste out my mouth. While I'm here, I might as well get some fabric softener. Child, I thought I was gonna get some down there, but ain't none down here. Lord, guess I have to get it from somewhere else. Spoke too soon. Here it is, down here. And of course, anytime we go to Costco, we gotta get us a meal. says it's out of paper. Oh, out of paper, y'all. One moment. Because I definitely paid.
Just give them both of them. Don't. You'll get. It has the number and everything, but did not give you the first part.
I threw it away.
What'd you order?
A pizza and a
Whole pizza?
no, just a slice and a smoothie. Yes.
Cheese or pepperoni?
Pepperoni.
Francisco, go to lunch. They need you in the deli. After. Her receipt cut off on the printer. She doesn't know her number though.
I'm right here. If you want to tell them. That's not. Baby, it's chunky for some big food. All right, you guys. So now we are in Target. We're in Target with it. Hair still looking crazy, y'all. Don't mind it. This is cute, but $25. Oh no. The matching pants, y'all. Ooh. Ooh, this is so me, y'all. Tell me that's not me. That's me. Happy go lucky. Look at that. Why I gotta go to the app to figure out the price? Y'all, I checked the app. It's $25. It's gonna sit right there. Y'all, ain't that cute? With the matching pants. Oh, I gotta see how much it is. Yeah. $25. Why is everything $25? Okay, y'all, but I need to stay on task. I'm here for toothbrush, toothpaste, mouthwash, and whatever else my little heart desires. Y'all, I'm gonna keep this little bag in my car because all the baskets don't have handles, and I don't want a big buggy for a couple of things. So we're gonna try not to fill it up. Okay, y'all, I'm gonna put y'all on the best spinach and artichoke dip. That right there. Oh yes. Oh Lord. And of course I can't reach it. I can just do. Y'all, I need to find something with a handle, cause your girl is too short to reach the dip, and it's not that many left, so I need to hurry up before somebody steal it all. Now what can work to help me get my dip? We're back. Let's see. Oh. Slowly but surely, it's moving. Yes. This, oh, best dip ever, y'all. Best dip ever. And I'm getting to the damn butt. And of course, I put it back once I was done. Okay, y'all, so in our reusable bag, that's 99 cents. Okay, we got, oh Jesus, got to bust the dip, y'all. Don't do that. Okay, so we got the dip, best dip ever. And it's under $5. We got two. I can get it in the bag. Okay. Let me check it, y'all. Make sure it didn't bust. I'll be back.
Like, comment, and subscribe. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Like, comment, and subscribe. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. And subscribe. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. And subscribe. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Make sure y'all like, comment, share, and subscribe.
And subscribe, okay? Make sure you subscribe. Don't just be liking and comment, sharing, and not subscribe. Subscribe.
Period.